Welcome everybody in a new video. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to get the newest version of Minecraft. First you go to Google, write in Tutti app, go, you install it. You write tuttyapp.com, then you go right there, click install now, download. I already installed it, so I don't need to install it. Here it is. You go in it, just wait, go here, then wait, just add, go, you write Minecraft, look carefully. Here's Minecraft Pocket Edition mod, here's Minecraft only, go, install, and here it is. I already installed it. So this is the most easiest way to get Minecraft's newest version. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, like the video, subscribe to see more videos like this.